With another YouTube video. Yeah, I'm going to the fair with my sister here. Follow her Instagram. I'll put it in the description below.
Follow my YouTube too, y'all. My
Yeah.
YouTube is
YouTube, Instagram.
Live with Pooh 5.
I'll put it on the description. Huh? They still back there. What's that move? Flip bag, took the stuff in. They told us to put behind no more. That's on last one she ate. Y'all know what's over the race right here?
I guess right here, man.
Right behind. I'm gonna stay with Sean. Me too, cause Sean be breaking. We on the first ride. Come on now. Get right. Boo. 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 Right there. Probably because those don't work or something. Yeah, you gotta pull this thing up. Girl, it's not that hard. Yo. What is this? What is I'm scared, man. We just waiting on this man. My fault for the my sister just got off that other ride.
Y'all that swing right. Y'all that round.
It was fun. But we looking for our peoples.
Takes it home to be our winner. You were really close right there. Six was in second place. Any prize.
Y'all, it just started raining.
Let's start this.
Oh my God, bro. I bet they regret doing that. It's raining again. It's pouring down. bumper car? For real. Let's go look over here and see what's over here. Better wash my hands. And it's gonna be this one. But if I don't end the YouTube video, just know. Yeah, we finally leaving the fair. Finally. And this what was all over here, y'all. Deuces, y'all. See y'all in the next video.
Oh, yeah, what's been there?
What?
We leave.